Yeshar, can you change the width of column?
Yes. We go to format. We go to width column. We choose any width we want. For example, 25. Go like this. We change it again because.
G, can you hide first name column?
Yes.
Very good. Tia, can you add conditional formatting on Mark 3 by icon set? Very good. Sam, can you unhide the column of first name?
Yes. We select these two, then we go to format, then we go to visibility, hide and unhide, then we click on unhide columns, and there we go.
Very good. Ario, can you delete Mark 1 column?
Yes, first we're gonna came to column E, then we press delete, shift.
Very good. Bahos, can you hide Leah and Allah and Muhammad information?
So click on zero. Zeros that you want to hide. Go to format,
Very good.
click on hide and unhide. Hide, go.
Very good, Bahos. Lani, can you add conditional formatting on Mark 5 by color scale? Very good. Demhat, can you hide Mark 2 and Mark 3 column?
Yes.
Very good. Go to hide. Very good, Demhat. Elena, can you change the color of first name text? Very good. Kenar, can you delete the column Mark 4?
Yes, first select, then go to delete, then delete sheet and
Very good. Asa, can you add a column between Mark 2 and Mark 3?
Mark 2 and Mark 3, yes. We go to Mark 3 and go to insert and insert sheet column. And,
Very good. Then where can you hide first name and last name column? We go to format. Very good. Abra. Umar, can you unhide first name and last name column?
yes, first we have to select B and E, and then we go onto format, and then to visibility, hide and unhide, and then we unhide columns.
Very good.